Hello everyone. A very good day to all of you. Hope you all must be fine and enjoying your life. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Speak Wisely. Today we will be learning about some verbs that you see going in your life. After learning these verbs, try to use these verbs in your daily sentences. If you are liking our videos and finding them knowledgeable, then do share them. The verbs that we are going to study today are squeeze, squash, crush, press, crumple. Last one, wring. Let's learn these words with examples one by one. Let's start the video without killing the time. The first verb is squeeze. Yes, squeeze. We use this verb when we use our fingers to press something to change its shape, reduce its size, or remove liquid from it. Yes, mind my words, just by using your fingers, not hand. For example, I am squeezing the juice into the glass. Second one, he is squeezing the trigger of gun. The last one is, can you squeeze the lemon? I have a pain in my fingers. Now moving to the second verb, squash. Yes, I repeat, squash. Squash is a verb. We use it when we press something so hard that it becomes damaged or flat or changes the shape. Yes, changes its natural shape. Some examples are, don't keep the fruits at the bottom, they will get squashed. One more example, he's trying to squash him into car. Can't he see there is no space? Before moving ahead, I would like to remind you guys, don't try to copy down these words. If you don't understand, try to listen these words again and again. So moving to the third verb, crush. Yes, I repeat, crush. Crush is a verb. We use it when we press something or somebody so hard that it's broken or damaged or loses its shape. Some examples are, my car was crushed by a falling tree. One more example, he crushed the can before throwing it. Moving to the fourth verb, press. Yes, press. It's also a verb. We can use this word when we push something firmly, often without causing it to move permanently further away from you. Examples are, can you press little hard on my shoulder? Second one, I pressed the button to start the fan. Our fifth verb is crumple. Yes, crumple. Crumple is a verb. We can use this word when we crush or press something into folds that are not equal in size. Yes, into folds that are not equal in size. Examples related to it. First one, he crumpled the application into a ball and threw it. Second example, I need to iron my shirt. It crumples easily. Now coming to the last verb, wring. Yes, I repeat, wring. We can use this verb when we twist and squeeze something in order to get the liquid out. Yes, in order to get the water out. The examples related to wring are, I wrung my clothes and hung it up to dry them. In this example, we have used second form of verb, as this is an example of past participle. So we have used second form of wring, which is wrung, and second form of hang, which is hung. Second example is, you need to wring your hanky. It is soaked. So guys, I think you must have understood about these words. If you still find any difficulty learning these verbs, try to go through them once, twice or thrice, but don't try to copy down these words. Try to listen this video again and again. Now I am dropping some exercise for you all, so understand how much you all have understood from these verbs. Try to drop your comments, your answers in the comment box. Thank you so much for listening our videos so patiently. I hope you all are enjoying our videos.